discuss niya ay 5 workout secrets for a perfect body. Perfect po siyang mag-discuss nito. Coach Chow Villanueva, good morning!
Thank you so much, Coach Jess. Ayan, hello, good morning everyone. Nakapag-alaw T-shake na po ba ang lahat? Yan, so magandang araw ng Wednesday po sa inyo. Of course, yung mga loyal attendees and yung ating mga guests, thank you so much for being here today and yung nasa FB Live, good morning. So yan, bago po tayo mag-start, I also would like to share my amazing journey with Herbalife Nutrition. So I'm Maricho Dungka po. You can call me Coach Chow. So I'm 39 years old po from Antipolo. I'm a mother of two and ginamit ko po yung Herbalife for lose weight program and also for my prenatal and postnatal pregnancy. Of course, with the approval ng aking OB, syempre. So I've lost a total of 10 pounds and 3 inches on my waistline. Ang mga favorite ko pong products, of course, the Aloe Tea Shake, yung mga enhancer tablets po, yung NRG, yan, cell complex, and yung aking Happy Pill, vitamins and minerals. So, ang background ko po, dati po akong employee sa isang BPO company for almost 17 years. So, okay naman po yung work ko, marami lang siyang talagang mga challenges. So, yung hindi ko po nagustuhan sa dati kong work, bukod po sa wala akong freedom of time, dahil sa dami ng workloads, lagi din po akong walang energy, yan, unhealthy po yung lifestyle ko noon. Madalas puyat kung ano na ano po yung mga kinakain. So, time with family po nakakompromise. And of course, yung akin pong health nakakompromise din po. But with Herbalife, lalo na nung naka-attend po ako nung sinabi kanina yung Kickstart seminar, yan mangyayari sa September. So, with Herbalife, dito nakita ko meron palang solution. Yan, solution to have freedom of time, maging present mom, at maging healthier pa po. Kaya super thankful ako sa Herbalife Nutrition and of course sa ating community kasi dito nai-inspire tayo and nakaka-inspire din po tayo ng maraming tao. Marami tayong natututunan, hindi lamang about nutrition, active lifestyle, pati po yung personal development and yung relationship po natin kay God, nag-i-improve din po. That's why I love Herbalife Nutrition. Ayan. So, proceed na po tayo sa aking topic for today. 5 workout secrets for a perfect body. So, ang source po natin dito, of course, articles.myherbalife.com. Alright, so next po. Yan, so sabi doon po sa page, it's impossible to out-train ang bad diet. Ano po ba ibig sabihin no, no? So, ibig sabihin po nun, no amount of exercise can overcome a bad diet. Okay? So, kahit ilang beses ka mag-exercise, kahit gaano pa yan katagal, pero if you're eating poorly or you have unhealthy eating habits, impossible pa din pong ma-achieve natin ang perfect body. So, meron daw po doong two sides approach. So, dapat we have good diet and good exercise routine. So, meron naman po nagsasabi, di ba, kadalasan yung mga marami sa atin, ang ginagawa naman po nila is yung naglo-lose weight naman po sila for hindi po sila kumakain, hindi tamang nutrisyon yung binibigay nila sa katawan nila. So sabi nga dyan, there's two sides to every equation. So in this case, perfect body equation involves good diet and good exercise. So merong kadalasang iba, sabi nila sa social media, para mag-lose weight ka, kailangan mag-diet ka. Focus on the diet alone. Yan, but science proved that there are also many benefits of being active. Okay, so kasi po yung pagiging active po natin on a regular basis can help to improve your physical wellness, slow down the aging process, improve your mood, and boost your self-esteem. Just to name a few lang po ah. So when you're exercising, you start to crave for nutritious food. Yan. When you eat better, you'll have more energy for exercise. Alright, so sinasabi natin dito sa Herbalife, di ba? 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. Okay, so next po tayo. What is a perfect body? Sige po, type, paano lang po, click na lang po. Ayan. So, ang sabi dyan, no, a perfect body isn't all about looks. Ito yung healthy ka and ready to perform the task you need to live a happy and fulfilling life. Agree po ba kayo doon? Alright, so press 1 kung agree po kayo, no? So although there is no set standard naman po of what a perfect body is. Kasi dito, yung perfect body, it's either you're looking to feel energized, you're looking to be fit, or you want to perform at your best. Yan. So, pwedeng combination ng tatlong yan. So, kung ano man po yung definition ng perfect body, ang importante po dito, you have 100% good attitude. So, you can succeed. Alright? So, next po, ayan, meron daw po dong 5 P's to perfect body. So, ano po yung number 1? Yan, merong provide. So, provide your body with what it needs. Ito yung daily nutrition na binibigay natin sa ating katawan. Kasi po, di ba, kailangan ng katawan natin ng nutrients to recover, to replenish, and to rebuild yung mga muscles natin, especially after a hard workout. Okay, kaya it's very important po to choose healthy food options for our daily nutrition. Sige po, pa-click po. Ayan. So, ayan po yung mga nutrisyon na kailangan ng ating katawan. So, sana po na ibibigay po natin yan sa ating katawan, especially kapag gumigising po tayo sa umaga. Katulad po ng nabanggit sa value ng healthy breakfast. Okay, so next po. Sige po. Yan, present. So, today is what's important because tomorrow isn't a promise. Yan, so madalas guilty po tayo dyan, no? Kasi sinasabi ng iba sa atin, ay, bukas na lang ako mag-start. Diba? May ganon. Sasabihin natin, kunyari, Wednesday ngayon, pag-start na lang ako ng Monday. Ganon. So, coach, wala pa po akong sahod. Mag-start na lang po ako pag sahod na. O kaya next year na lang, coach, kasi gagawin ko siyang New Year's resolution. Diba? So, what's wrong with today? Yan, sabi doon sa page. Ano daw po bang pagkakaiba ng ngayon? Yan, so, bakit hindi pa po today? Okay, so, start today and be present in the choices you make. The smallest changes can lead to significant results, but you have to really start in order to elicit change. So, kailan ka ba mag-i-start? Alright, so, today, yan, presence. That's the number 2. Okay, so next, persistence. Okay, so getting fit and feeling healthy should never just a short-term goal. So, coach, meron akong attend ng wedding. So, kailangan kong mag-lose weight. Coach, kasi gusto kong mag-bikini sa summer. So, mag-lose weight ako, mag-exercise ako. And after that, wala na, hindi na natin siya na-sustain. Kasi tapos na yung wedding, tapos na yung summer. So, dapat hindi ganun po yung ating mindset. So, dapat persistence pa rin tayo. So, para ma-maintain natin yung good result and healthy habits, ayan, kailangan persistent and committed tayo for long term. Kasi persistence pays off when it comes to establishing new healthy lifestyle habits. So, dapat ginagawa natin tong lifestyle. Hindi lang siya for short-term goal. Okay? So, number 4, next, productivity. Make the most of your time and make every second count. Yan. So, alam naman po natin ngayon, gusto natin madalas nagmo-multitask tayo. Yan. So, sabi doon, don't watch TV or read magazine while you're on treadmill. Instead, work hard and keep your intensity high, especially if you only have short amount of time. Yan. So, kung busy ka, so at least give yourself 15 or 20 minutes sa treadmill na nakafocus ka talaga sa exercise mo without any distraction para mas nakukuha mo or you can nakukuha mo yung mas gusto mong exercise for the day. Na-achieve mo yung goal mo for that specific day. Okay? So, kailangan lang po focus tayo doon sa ginagawa natin. Give it some time para naman po doon sa ibang gawain natin sa bahay. Yeah. And number 5, of course, very important, patience. This is the best gift you can ever give yourself. For your body to change, you must give it time to adapt to your new and improved healthy lifestyle habit. So, hindi naman po, di ba, overnight yung pagkakaroon ng magandang katawan. So, kailangan talaga meron kang patience, committed ka dun sa ginagawa mo para mas makuha mo yung goal na gusto mo. Okay? So, sabi dito, repetition and time is what it takes to form good habits that will last. Alright? So, kailangan natin maging patient para mas makuha ng katawan natin kung ano yung gusto nating maging sa katawan natin. Okay? Next po. Ayan. So, ito nilagay ko lang po, ano, kasi of course, with Herbalife, we have the nutrition, we have the meal replacement that we can provide, of course, sa ating mga clients. Sige po, paklik lang din po yung two pictures. Ayan. So, with Herbalife, you have your coach that will guide you, will support you. And we have the community. Yan, kung gusto mo mag-exercise ka kasama sila face-to-face, pwede. And of course, meron din tayong online virtual nutrition club. So, pwede ka rin dito mag-workout. So, maraming ino-offer si Herbalife for you, if ever. So, ayan po yung sa community natin. Okay, that's what Herbalife offers. Next po. Ayan, so eto lang po yung mabibigay kong host sa lahat. So again, results happen over time, not overnight. So work hard, stay consistent, and be patient. Alright? Para mas ma-achieve natin yung ating perfect body. So with that, I hope marami po kayong natutunan for today. So thank you, and back to you, Coach Jessie.